Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And in today's video, we will be doing a portfolio update, showing you guys what has happened in around the last 2 weeks with my portfolio. And I gotta admit right now, a lot has happened, good and bad, but mostly bad. And I'll be going over it in today's video. But before I get into it, I'd really appreciate you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. I'd really appreciate it a ton. So, getting into the video, as you guys can see, the portfolio is sitting around $1,580, $90. And in the last week, we are down around $200. In the last month, we were down around $300. So in the last 2 weeks, what has happened, I'll do a quick summary, is we were growing pretty nicely with options, just trading gold credit spreads because it was a pretty predictable pattern. I just saw what was coming. It was just a simple support and resistance, and I was able to profit off that pretty nicely. And I was growing my portfolio from around $1,800 to $1,000 in the matter of a few weeks. I think it was around 2 to 3 weeks. But unfortunately, nothing could go well for too long. And overnight, gold gapped up, and I had call credit spreads on it. I had a pretty hefty position on it, and that caused me to lose almost all of my options collateral, and I went down to around 1,600 from there. So there was a pretty big loss, and comparing it to the last 3 months, we were down only around 2%, because gold has treated us pretty well. In the past, this whole jump from here to here was from gold credit spreads, and all this is gold credit spreads basically from here to here. So I will still be battling with gold credit spreads. I will be trying to figure out what I did wrong, but there's not much you could predict with an overnight gap up. I saw that it was actually approaching the resistance, but that usually happened on a normal basis, and I was able to see that it was going to bounce down from there. However, this time it just completely broke the pattern, and it was just bam. Woke up, huge red loss on my portfolio on Robinhood, and that's just what happened. But I'll be going over my positions right now. As you guys can see, long-term investing, we are doing pretty nicely. I'll show you guys the gain loss. We're up almost on every stock. If we were down on a stock, then it's a few cents or even $2. But other than that, we were actually doing pretty well long-term investing. But with our options trading, as I showed you guys, we've done some good and we've done some bad. But I'm still trying to work with gold credit spreads. Right now, we are down around $4 on our position. This is fluctuating pretty fast, and I'm hoping to make a little profit of, even if I'd be able to make a profit of 10 to 15 bucks, I would take my profits and leave on gold, because right now I see it's at the resistance, but I don't want to get burned again, so I might just take my profits. Probably tomorrow I'll take my profits, because it's at the resistance right now, and I don't want the same thing to happen as what did happen last time. And just because of this loss, it's not like I'm trying to leave options, but I've noticed that long-term investing usually prevails in the long term. With options, you can make some short-term huge gains. You can also make some short-term huge losses. But long-term, overall, you usually end up making a profit, which I would prefer doing, which is why I'm probably going to be moving into more long-term investing. As time goes on, I will still be doing some options because, of course, you got to have some fun in life. But yeah, I will not be going as heavy as I was before. I'll try to make my loss back, but it's no big deal. I'm trying to, because I noticed that if you try to revenge trade, nothing goes well. I would end up probably taking some risky positions and losing a lot of money. So I'd rather just take it slow, see what gold is up to, see if I can make some nice little profits off of it. And if not, I could just dump it into long-term investing, which has been doing pretty well. So yeah, that's basically my portfolio update. Hopefully you guys can click that F key for me down below in the comment section. But it's not that bad, honestly. There's definitely a possibility of me making it back, just like I made back the loss when I was at 1,300. Again, made it back with the gold credit spreads. So we'll see how it goes. I'll be updating you guys in the near future. And if you guys enjoyed the video, again, I'd appreciate if you guys could click that like button below. And that's all I ask for. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you guys have a great day.